Good day, everyone. I'm Amanda Bernice M. Sanina, and today I'll be presenting about business administration and marketing management. This topic will help us to understand how businesses are managed and how the products are promoted to customers. So, let me start with a question. Why do you think some businesses succeed while others fail? It's because of how the business is managed and how it promotes the product. That's when business administration and marketing management comes in. Business administration focuses on managing the business like planning and organizing, while marketing management focuses on customers and understanding what they need and how to sell to them. When both work together, a business can grow and become a successful. Now let's start with business administration. Have you ever wondered how a company like restaurant or a clothing store stays organized and operates smoothly every day? That's because of business administration. It's a process of managing all parts of a business, like planning and organizing, to leading and controlling. A business administration or manager makes sure that every part of the company is doing its job correctly. This is the functions of a business administration. There are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. This is very important if you want your company to be organized. First, planning. This is where goals are set and decisions are made about how to reach them. Second, organizing. This means arranging people and resources to make the plan happen. It includes arranging or assigning workers to their roles and making sure everything is ready. Third, leading. It involves motivating and guiding employees so they can work well together. Lastly, controlling. This is about checking if the goals are being met and fixing the problems if something goes wrong. Those four functions, planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, are like the foundation of every successful business. So let's move on to marketing management. Why do people choose one brand instead of another? It's because of how the brand is marketed. Marketing management is the process of promoting and selling products or services to a customers. It focuses on understanding what people need or how to reach them effectively. It helps businesses attract new customers, keep them loyal, and increase the sales. In short, while business administration manages the inside of the company, marketing management connects the company to the outside world, like to the customers. So this is the four P's of marketing. In marketing, there's something called marketing mix, also known as 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. Product is what the company sells. It can be goods like foods, clothes, or gadgets, or even services like cleaning or delivering. Price. It is how much the product costs. It should be more fair and competitive. Place. It refers to where customers can buy the product, like stores, website, or app. And lastly, promotions. Promotion is how the company tells people about it through social media, advertisements, or discounts. For example, Jollibee promotes new meals through commercials and posters, sells them to an affordable price, and makes them available in many branches nationwide. That's the 4 Ps in action. Marketing management is very important because it helps businesses to grow and stay competitive. It builds a good relationship with the customers by understanding their needs. It also helps increase the sales and profit, which keeps the company running. It also improves the company's image and reputation through advertisements and customer service. Without marketing, even a great products won't sell because people would not know about them. So let's see how business administration and marketing management are connected. Business administration takes care of the inside part of the business, like making sure everything is organized and operating well, while marketing management takes care of the outside, connecting the company to the customers. When both work together, the business can operate smoothly on the inside and grow on the outside. To summarize everything, business administration is about managing and organizing the business, while marketing management is about connecting and communicating with the customers. Like what I said, business administration is the inside part, while the marketing management is the outside part of the business. Both are equally important. Business administration cannot work well without the marketing management, vice versa. Business administration keeps the company stable, while marketing management helps it grows and compete in the market. When these two work in hand, a business becomes productive, profitable, and successful. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.